Rupee falls to 80 for dollar. Why is it happening? Early on Tuesday, the Indian rupee crossed the psychologically important threshold of 80 to the US dollar. The rupee dropped to 80.06 against the dollar, according to a Bloomberg report. What is the exchange rate for rupees? The value of the rupee relative to, in essence, the US dollar is the quantity of rupees required to purchase $1 US. This is a crucial indicator since Indian consumers and businesses need dollars to purchase a wide range of products and services, including crude oil, in addition to American goods. Purchasing, importing goods from outside of India gets more expensive when the rupee declines. There is also an opposite side. By the same reasoning, a declining rupee makes India's products more competitive because depreciation makes it less expensive for foreigners to buy Indian products if one is aiming to sell, export, goods and services to the rest of the world, primarily the US. Why is the rupee losing value when compared to the dollar? Simply expressed, the rupee is losing value against the dollar because there is a higher demand for dollars in the market than there is for rupees. In turn, there are two reasons for this rise in demand for dollars relative to rupees. To start with, Indians import more products and services than they export. The term current account deficit refers to this. CAD. When a nation has it, it suggests that more foreign currency, particularly dollars, is leaving India than is entering. India's CAD has widened significantly since the beginning of 2022 as crude oil and other commodity prices have started to rise in response to the conflict in Ukraine. Because Indians need more dollars to acquire things from outside, the rupee has been put under pressure to appreciate or gain value relative to the dollar. Secondly, investments in the Indian economy are declining. India, like the majority of developing economies, has a CAD. However, in the case of India, this deficit was more than made up for by the flurry of foreign investment in the nation. This is also known as the capital account surplus. Due to the billions of dollars brought in by this surplus, the demand for the rupee, in relation to the dollar, remained high. However, since the beginning of 2022, a growing number of international investors have begun to withdraw capital from the Indian markets. This occurred as a result of the US interest rate increase exceeding India's pace of increase. In order to control the historically high inflation in the US, the US central bank has been aggressively hiking interest rates. The demand for Indian rupees among investors looking to invest in Indian stock markets has been significantly diminished as a result of this decline in investments. The combined effect of these two trends has been a dramatic decline in demand for the rupee relative to the dollar. The rupee has been losing value against the dollar for this reason. The rupee is the only currency that has lost value? No, the dollar has been strengthening against all other currencies, such as the euro and the yen of Japan. In actuality, the rupee has strengthened against a number of currencies, including the euro. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel.